In my little garage. In my little garage. I don't know how long it's been, 5 years or something. The lady's next door's retarded grandson, who's quite strong, tried opening my garage door, and because it's hooked up to a garage door opener, it bent the heck out of the top. It's bent, and it broke loose, and it's bent up here. I really need a new panel. Can't afford it. New panel's $350 just for one panel. So it'd probably be cheaper to replace the door. Down here, that little roller is out of the bracket. I have to fix it. Okay, it's a little wider. This framey part is a little wider at the bottom. So what I did is I got it through the there. Now I'm trying to bend this back a little bit this way. Oh, brother. Okay. Alright, well, I can roll it up and down now, but I still can't use the remote, the garage door opener because the top is bent and broken. Like I said, someday I'll have everything that works. Maybe.